Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change the Gmail password in your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Gmail application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Gmail app, click the three line on the upper left side on your screen. And scroll down and find setting. Okay, click settings. Okay guys, here in settings, select the Gmail or email you want to change the password. So, okay. And after you select a Gmail you want to change the password, click the manage your Google account. Okay guys, here in your info, so okay, click the personal info. And okay guys, here in your profile, okay, click the password. Okay guys, to continue to change the password, okay, you need to enter the password of your Gmail account. Okay, after you enter the password, click the next button. Okay guys, here in password, okay, you can create the new password and confirm new password. Okay guys, after that, click change password. Okay guys, your password was changed and password changed successfully. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.